or a transformation project has kind of been code for, well, we're implementing a SaaS application. Kind of the implication in that is that going to a SaaS platform is digital transformation. I think we're coming to a more grounded reality with regard to that idea that they can be transformative or not. They can also not quite live up to that promise. Well, we want to help enable transformation, and we believe that these transformative technologies of process automation, of AI, I really do see an opportunity for transformation that is independent of platform. That can happen on PeopleSoft, that can happen on-prem, that can happen in the cloud. Marketing is always a challenge, right? Trying to tell your story in a way that's engaging. So this is Max the Phoenix, but he's frustrated, grounded, buried beneath endless paperwork, tangled processes, and manual workarounds. He gazes skyward, a vision of what could be, freed, fulfilled, potential, unleashed. I hope you see yourself somewhere in the story here. Ineffective systems hold him down, smothering morale and progress. But then, a spark. Whoa, see, that's a Gideon Taylor logo up there. That's the first sign of color in our storyboard here. Gideon Taylor, flames erupt, the Phoenix reignited. Manual processes replaced with automation, a confusion of clicks replaced with simple conversation, frustration becoming inspiration, a fiery comeback. Oh, a fiery comeback, here we go. Max being reborn from the ashes. So Max rises, go ahead and give us another one here. Potential soars, lifted by decades of expert process automation, now supercharged with GTE forms and purpose-built AI. Gideon Taylor, reignite your Phoenix. I'll talk about 4 things that are going to be happening that are available either now or shortly that we believe help in this process. One is, you know that we merged with Intrasea a couple of years ago. They have been focused on AI for several years, and so now we've been focused on it for several years. And you know that we have been focused on business process automation enabled by GTE forms for many years. So now we're bringing those two together. We're hopefully going to make it easier by announcing that there will be an eForms assistant powered by IDA that will be released with GTE forms, and that is at no additional cost. I'll pause for applause. No additional cost. The eForms assistant will actually enable end users of forms to navigate and define forms conversationally. And once they're in forms, it will leverage the documentation that you already have to actually create a conversation-based helper and an assistant for your end users to fill out those forms, cutting down on your support calls, improving the quality of your data as they use the forms as you intend them to be, and giving you a channel to actually update that documentation and have it go directly to your end users in their form experience. That, I think, will be a game changer for the GTE forms world. Thank you. You guys picked up on that applause cue really well. Thing number 2 is that, so now I'm happy to announce configurable CI is available and will be released in 3.7, which will be released, everyone willing, on June 1st. So configuring CI. I'm going to ask Jay Jorgensen to stand up. Thing number 3 is 3.7. Okay, so 3.7 will be released. The two major features are the eForms Assistant and Configurable CI. There are many other features that will be available, and of course, all of your stability patches and so forth will be coming in June 1st. Okay, last thing is GT eForms for Cloud. We've been talking about it for quite a while. It's on the way. We're making great progress. We have a great demo that we can show. If you haven't seen it, then come by the booth and ask for the GT eForms for Cloud demonstration. It's really exciting, and we're targeting end of the year for a general availability release, but we are looking for beta clients now. I think I went way over my time. So before I start to break into song or poetry, I'm going to just end by thanking you again for being here. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to lots of wonderful experiences together in the years to come. Thank you.